Yep, that's me. You're maybe wondering, how did I get here? How did I get to the middle of such catastrophe, such utter chaos? Well, let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to Edmonton, Alberta. We are in the city of festival for Cariwest. First time going to this event and I'm really excited. Of course, so much that I have to take you guys with me. So currently we're downtown. We're gonna go to Churchill Square, I think it's called. Now Cariwest is where all the Caribbean islands here in the city come together at a weekend or a week-long event of entertainment, food, culture, just a huge explosion. So currently there's a lot of persons here in the city from the different islands, from different parts of Canada, and we're gonna go and check out Cariwest. So come along, guys. Is the street blocked off? Yeah. Yeah, the street is blocked off. Maybe. Yes, Jaja. Authentic jerk or play jerk? Authentic jerk or play jerk? That is it. The Malika leave the stroller alone. You can push this one, please, man. Can you manage? Hello. So, so if you want, you can get like doubles, with doubles over, whatever. Try doubles that. Which one? Eh? Yeah. That I line. Have a jerk chicken, rice and peas, rice and water.
Jamaican restaurant. So why we are stopped there, so I have so much other taste.
Okay, so I've never had doubles before. What is doubles?
So doubles is a barrel with just fried dough. He's making it over there, and then chana,
Okay.
and another barrel on top, tamarind sauce, and if you want some hot.
Is it like really small or really big? Is it like a meal by itself?
No.
No,
It's
okay.
like a snack. If you want a meal, you probably want to get one of the rotis or a jerk chicken.
Okay, so what I'll take then, I'll take 3 rice and peas and jerk chicken.
Yeah.
3. I'm sorry, do you guys have curry goat?
Yeah.
Okay,
Curry
so,
goat, either roti wrap or the combo.
okay, so what I'll do is I'll take 1 curry goat meal,
Yeah.
rice and peas and curry goat. And,
Also, the rice and peas comes with the jerk chicken.
oh, it's exclusive with the jerk chicken. What does the curry goat come with?
Roti.
Okay, sweet. So I'll take 1 curry goat and roti
Yeah.
and 2 rice and peas and jerk chicken. And I'll also try.
The doubles.
I'll try it. Actually, you know what? Let me get 3 rice and peas and jerk chicken, and I'll take a double.
And you, so still the curry goat? You're gonna give me some of and one double.
Yeah.
With the
Just
double,
the
with the doubles, you want the pepper sauce?
yeah. Anything you do for our first timer.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so one doubles with pepper, one curry goat wrap, and 3 jerk chicken.
Yeah. What's that orange thing?
That's pumpkin. That will be in the curry goat wrap.
Okay. Is it a
Pumpkin comes inside the curry goat roasted? No, it doesn't.
so you guys do the curry goat as a wrap?
To my DC guy and jerk turkey. Let me change right now. Just
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do this. All right, guys. One of the things when it comes to these events is you see everybody we haven't seen in a while. How long have I seen? Like,
over 3 years.
I haven't seen you in like probably 2 years.
No, 3 years. Over 3 years, bro. Since we moved down here, it's over 3 years now.
That's crazy.
That's
3 years. So we're here at Cariwest and we're one and only Levar. I heard you're doing a startup now as well.
Oh, I'm not even wearing that one right now. So yeah, we have an app focused on recirculating $100 million in the Black community.
Sweet.
You can download it on the App Store or in the Play Store.
Representing for
I'm representing for Guyana today. The
Guyana.
app is called The Nod.
The Nod.
You can put it
Sweet.
in the
Absolutely.
comment section.
Are you guys doing Guyanese food?
Yes. You know what? I gotta pick on you Jamaicans. I always have a fight with Trinis about chicken curry and curry chicken.
First thing, as soon as you say chicken curry, you have lost the fight, man. It's curry chicken and curry goat.
It's chicken curry. So I got fed up of it. So I said I'm gonna do my own booth for Guyana
Yeah?
because it's chicken curry.
Okay.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do then, we're gonna come and check it out while you guys have some
The
chicken
coming
curry.
in later, right? We got lots of things. So settle in.
Yeah?
Come back soon.
Definitely.
Right?
You want chicken curry?
We're gonna get the video.
No chicken curry?
Ah! When you taste it, I promise you.
Oh, come on, man. Those things, otherwise, yeah. So guys, first time having Guyanese chicken curry. Let's see if it's chicken curry or if it's curry chicken. Chicken curry.
Yes, I can hear them say your voice stop living in the past. Where can I find that energy? All over the time comes down from the grass. Yes, I'm from a place where the soul is resounding. Over you can feel, you will feel that you know, and the rain of the sun. I come from the ground. How you had it? I'm taking things out of the fabulous. Let's take a little breather. Okay. Marshall, let's go. Festivals here in Edmonton, but also at nightclubs in Calgary. And right now, he is getting ready to start the rhythm. How strong we coming in the beginning, I don't know. We're gonna go hard, fast, slow. How we gonna give it to them?
We gonna go slow. I want to start out slow. So I want to see all you know how to whine. Who know how to whine? For all of you guys, it's very simple, all right? Here we go. It's just left, right, left. This is it right here, right? Use your legs, bunks, and left, right? Now, I know you young guys are trying to teach you because you just come through and go, that is not whining, that is assault. Stop it. All right? I want to see proper waistline. I want to see funny fighters. Edmonton. I'm fed up on the same thing. Fed up on the same thing. Fed up on the same thing. Yeah. I'm fed up on the same thing. Yeah. Over and over. Over and over. Over and over. Come for the cement.
What can I say? Thank you as usual. All the organizers of the Cariwest Festival, I want to say a huge thank you. Thank you guys for organizing every year such a wonderful event. This is my first time here. I drove 4.5 hours from the city of Grand Prairie to be here to celebrate with you guys. And what can I say? You did not disappoint. Thank you guys so much for putting on such a beautiful, wonderful festival here in the city of Edmonton. And I'm about to take my leave, and I want to say see you guys next year, same time, same place, hopefully bigger, at the Cariwest Festival here in Edmonton, Alberta.